jokes as fuck. It's jokes as fuck.
Yeah, it is, eh?
I'm gonna see which jokes as fuck. I am gonna see which jokes as fuck as soon as I watch what actually happened on video, yeah.
Yeah, well, I'll laugh so hard.
Oh, I wait?
Okay, I'll wait.
So you tell me to wait, so you're threatening us, huh?
You said, you'll wait. You didn't say anything, but you said you wait. So you're basically threatening us.
Oh yeah, by the way, why the fuck did you guys follow me to school? I fucking saw you guys. You guys pulled up in your like trailer park trash. Actually, your cunt of a girlfriend is the one that said it. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, look at it. Isn't it beautiful? I love my car. You got a fucking problem with it?
My car's got amazing bass in it. But you don't like bass, but I'll play a song for you before I go out and do what I have to do. Shut the fuck up.
Well then, why are you complaining about our loud music if you're playing loud music? That's so fucking stupid.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. How? Just wait.
Excuse me, do you know if I have any mental disabilities? No, you
Shut the
fucking
fuck
don't.
up, because it's not people's fault if they have problems. What if your new baby just has mental problems? What, is she a fucking retard too?
Okay.
You're really threatening me. I hope you know I have your voice on video so I can actually prove that you've been threatening us.
Yeah, we have what? 4, 5
Hey, good
cameras?
for you. You're recording us.
Dumbass.
You're recording us. We're running around with plastic toy guns shooting at each other. We're not doing anything wrong. Well, we shouldn't talk about guns because the last time I checked, you're pretty afraid of them. That's why you told me. Oh, they got a gun! They got a gun! I'm so scared they're gonna kill me. I can't even live next to these people because I'm gonna have a newborn baby soon. Okay, I'm holding on. Okay. I'll hold on a second. Holding on. I'll hold on to her. I'll hold on to her. We're trailer trash. We live in. We're trailer trash. We live in the exact same house, you idiot.
Yeah, and we pay more rent than you do.
Oh yeah, there's 5 people that live in this house.
How much do we pay, Jed?
$13.50.
$13.50.
How stupid are you? Okay. Look, stop beefing people that are in their teenagers just because you want to get off on your drama. That's all you want. Stop beefing 16-year-olds. You don't understand. Like, really? Really? You couldn't just be a neighbor, walk up to the door, hey, could you turn your music down? No, you have to call the cops.
Oh, really? Why not? Really? You rather sit here 5 fucking hours with the cops than take 2 minutes to knock on our door?
Well, why? Well, really? So you're cool?
What the fuck are you gonna do? You've been sitting there yelling at us for the past, what, hour?
You know what else I find joking?
I don't know. What the fuck are you gonna do?
Joe. Here.
You gotta be fucking kidding me. Which one's shooting whatever? You know what? The 2 of you are
Jen!
Yeah, I got it on video. I've got it on video.
What the fuck is your problem, you fucking crazy bitch?